how to make Rednote account, Rednote not sending a code, or Rednote app not working. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So if you're having trouble making a Rednote account because it's not sending the verification code or the app is not working, here's how to fix it. So first of all, you'll have to ensure that you have stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data. Also, you can go ahead and try restarting your router or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Now next step would be to open up your Rednote app, log into your account. You'll have to verify that you have entered the correct phone number with the appropriate country code. Now after that, you simply want to go ahead and wait for a few minutes as sometimes verification codes are delayed. Also check if you have accidentally blocked messages from unknown senders. Also look for resend code option on the app and wait at least 60 seconds before trying again. If that does not fix your issue, you can go ahead and update the app. For that, open up your App Store. Once you open the App Store, in the search bar, search for Rednote, and once you search for it in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, you want to go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, simply restart the device. Go ahead and restart your phone to clear temporary issues. Also, if you are using a VPN or ad blocking apps, disable them. These can block server communication. After that, if it still does not fix your issue, sometimes the issue lies with the Rednote servers. So go ahead and check online forums or social media to see if the other users are reporting problems. After that, you can simply try reinstalling the app. For that, long press the app, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete. Once the application is deleted from your device, you want to go ahead and visit the App Store again and then reinstall the app in your mobile device. With these steps, you'll then be able to resolve your issue with creating a Rednote account or using the app. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.